5 Main Messages from $100 Million Offers by Alex Hormozi. Main Message 1, The Grand Slam Offer Strategy. Entrepreneurship is like a baseball game, you need to swing for the fences. Embrace the Grand Slam offer concept, an irresistible proposition that delivers unparalleled value. Craft offers so compelling that saying no feels foolish. Think of it as stepping up to the plate and hitting a home run, or even scoring 1,000 runs in the business game. Main Message 2, Price and Value Dynamics. To thrive, your business growth must match the stock market's pace. Raising prices is a pathway to increased growth, but it requires offering exceptional value. Charge premium prices by providing significant added value. Recognize that higher prices can lead to greater customer commitment and value perception. Tap into promising markets to ensure consistent demand for your offerings. Main Message 3, Psychology of Value and Selling. Master the art of selling by understanding the psychology of value. Create a grand slam offer by maximizing the numerator, dream outcome and likelihood of success, and minimizing the denominator, prospect's time and effort. Over-deliver on the prospect's dream outcome while minimizing obstacles. The equation, value equals dream outcome x likelihood of success / prospect's time x effort, guides your approach. Main Message 4, Scarcity, Urgency, and Psychology. Leverage scarcity and urgency to drive desire for your offers. Recognize that humans crave what they can't easily have. Embrace scarcity by presenting your offer as exclusive and limited in quantity. Introduce urgency by associating offers with specific time frames or events. Understand that these psychological triggers can lead to increased demand and engagement. Main Message 5, Bonuses and Guarantees. Enhance your offers with bonuses and guarantees. Bonuses provide added value and make your offer more enticing. Break down your main offer into component parts and market some as bonuses. Guarantees alleviate prospect concerns about risk and loss. Invest time and effort into crafting compelling guarantees. Combining bonuses and guarantees can make your offer irresistibly appealing. Thank you for watching and continue to supercharge your learning by picking up Alex Hormozi's book in the link below. Also subscribe to our channel at Minutes to More Money for quick and helpful summaries from best-selling books.